You can add tags to your items to make finding what you need easy. To do this, simply select an item, and from the window on the right, choose Tags. Select Add, and add a keyword that makes this item more easily identifiable. Then hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. You can add as many tags as you need to. Now I'm going to check out a different source. When I choose Fra Angelico and Tags from the window on my right, you'll see I already have all of these tags. These tags came with its source and its metadata. Not all sources will come with this. And if these tags don't make a lot of sense for you and what you're doing, you can still add your own. And you can tell the difference because the ones that you've created are blue and the ones that came with the source are orange. Now when I go to my search field on the top of my library and I type in one of my keywords, I can easily find all the sources that I tagged with that word. And to get rid of a tag, simply use the little minus button to the right of it.